Hello and welcome guys and welcome to yet another vlog. And yes, I know only a few days left for your examination. I know you must be really busy in preparing good for your examination. Guys, caution note and advisory, please stay away from social media. Please uninstall WhatsApp, please uninstall Facebook and any other social media app which you have. You just have a few days left. 1 month of a life without social media will not impact you much, but that deletion of social media profiles will definitely help you much better in your examinations. So please, it's an earnest request and an advisory, please delete all your social media accounts. Secondly, I just want to talk about a concern which I thought I should be talking to you, because many of my students have come up to me and they've told me that sir, we want to attend some crash courses which are offered by Coaching Institute and which will go on till November end. Is it a good idea to attend those crash courses? Guys, my honest opinion, it is not a good idea to go to coaching institutes at this fag end of time. Guys, professional examination needs your self study, needs you to put in your heart and soul to studies, and November you cannot spend in coaching institutes, otherwise you are bound to dig holes for yourself. So guys, no coaching institutes in the month of November. You have to do self study. Yes, if certain chapter or certain portion of the syllabus is weak and you think that no, I need help of a particular teacher for understanding that particular portion or revising that particular portion, yes, you can occasionally once in a while go to a coaching institute. Otherwise, please do not fall into this commercial stint which is a trap for students, for the coaching institutes who are offering crash courses which will continue till say 25th of November. No, you cannot go to coaching institutes till 25th of November. So for ease of your reference guys, I have introduced certain chapter wise lectures of SPM, BVM and cost audit for your benefit. You can take benefit of those lectures, and those lectures you can see at your home for certain chapters, not the entire course, and you can be benefited from those chapters. If you think that certain chapter or certain topic is difficult for you, please take help of this chapter wise videos which I have created, which I have extracted from the main videos itself, and the list of the entire videos is in front of you. Now just see my assessment of mergers and acquisition, which is one of the most important topics of your BVM syllabus. It contains 20 marks. Yes, this is an important chapter, and enterprise risk management is a very important chapter. Then valuation of shares and goodwill is an important chapter. So even these four chapters hold a very significant proportion of marks in your examination. So you can take benefit of these videos if any particular topic or any particular chapter is if you are wanting to revise them, you can revise using these video lectures. Similarly guys, for cost audit also I have bifurcated all the chapters into video lectures and I have offered them. Where can you find them? You can find them at www.agrawallawhouse.com, and you can purchase the chapter wise videos as well, so that you can revise only those chapters which you think you are unable to do really well and they hold good marks in your examination. So for example, for cost audit, I can see cost accounting standards are really important, and cost accounting standards hold approximately 25 marks. Then companies rules are very important, and the theory portion which holds 4 chapters and is recurring in the examination for about 16 to 20 marks is very important. So if you feel that you are wanting to revise any of these chapters, please feel free to take video lectures of these 3 chapters. And I have requested Rajiv Bhargav sir to again bifurcate his course into chapter wise lectures, and he has also graciously given me a list of SCM, strategic cost management chapters, which you can revise if you are feeling that you need revision for any particular topic. So for example, operation research OR is one such topic which is really important for you, and you can revise that chapter which holds 30 to 35 marks, and you can revise in a very short span of time. Then marginal costing, make or buy decision is again an important chapter, and all these chapters are available at www.agrawallawhouse.com. Guys, my preference is do not go for any lecture, any coaching now. 1 chapter, 2 chapter is a different thing, but not for more than that. Just focus on self study, just focus on number of hours which you can put in self study. So you have 24 hours. Of course you can put 10 to 12 hours during the day for your studies, and if you just do hard work using self study in those 8 to 10 days, it will be more than sufficient. You need no teacher now, you need no coaching now, you need no lectures now. So on that positive note, all the very best and happy studying.
For latest updates and information on entire CMA profession, just subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification on the latest videos which are being uploaded on the channel. For products related to paper number 19, paper number 20 for final students and paper number 12 for intermediate students, log on to www.agrawallawhouse.com. It contains the compilation of handwritten notes, books, reference materials and video lectures of these 3 subjects. If you have any further query or you want to speak to me personally for any kind of counseling, you can call me at the number given on the screen.